Welcome to the Cups of Consciousness show. I am Aleya, your host. I'm a doctor of Oriental medicine, a sound healer, the author and founder of the 7 Cups of Consciousness. I have produced 9 sound healing albums and have recorded over 2,000 meditations online. I am an energy practitioner and help people shift their consciousness using their energetic fields. And this show is all about using your energetic fields to shift your consciousness, as well as exploring energetic concepts that help you create a more empowered and connected life. This episode is an energetic session that explores concepts, energetic practices, and protocols that are similar to a prayer, which help you transform particular aspects of your life. When you listen, recognize that some part of you is using your energetic fields to shift your vibration, which in turn shifts your consciousness, your behaviors, your beliefs, how you react and respond. You might even go into an altered state, so use caution if you're driving or doing something that requires a focused mind. With all of this work that I present, remember that it is your energy shifting you in your own unique way. That way you stay in control and empower with your process. So take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line of light, and explore your inner terrain in a safe and supported space. Let's dive in. As we awaken as souls, we have a tendency to start taking responsibility for things that are not ours and wanting for other people and projecting what we value onto others. And this can show up often on the body, where we as the soul begin to hold the stance of being more of a parent and a controller, and then overriding the body, and then the body starts to feel not witnessed, not respected, not seen, and it starts to rebel, possibly go into pathology and dissonance because of that imbalance in power. And our body is such a great reflector of energy. We want to explore the possibility that our solar plexus, which controls the stomach, the spleen, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the kidneys, the adrenals, really the adrenals, that whole system is a reflection of how we are riding in the body. So if your microbes, your digestion is off, and or you feel like you have a lot of power struggle in your life, it might be a reflection of how you, soul rider, are riding in your body. Taking a deep breath in. Soul rider, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. And then just take a moment to think about a dynamic that you have experienced in your life when there was someone who had an authority and who did try to control you, override you, tell you what they thought was best for you. Just take a moment to feel into anyone in your life, or you might have even said to them, well, I don't know, you tell me what's best for me. So I ask an even more disempowered energy to it. So at any point in time, have you ever felt like people tell you what to do, shame you, are the authority over you? And how do you feel about that? It doesn't feel great. And then explore the possibility that your body might feel that way with you. And then you can have compassion of like, oh my God, body, I'm so sorry. I may have been projecting what I value onto you. I may have been taking responsibility for things that's really yours. I may have placed my energy of control onto you. So rider at the level of your higher self, holding your energy and awareness in your divine line. Work with your energetic fields and the guides to lift all of your control off of your body back to your own line of light, front of spine. If you, soul rider, try to control your body will be out of control. Soul rider, lift all your control, your little control trips, your threads of control, your grids of control back to your own divine line, divine cosmic loop, front of spine. There you go. Equally distribute all of your grids of control in your individual divine cosmic loop. As you retrieve your control off your body, invite your higher self, soul rider, to return all responsibility that you have been holding for your body's actions, for your body's behaviors, for your body's decisions, for your body's clarity, for your body's manifesting capacity, for your body's creative expression. Return all responsibility for anything you, soul rider, might be holding. Give it back to your body. When we take responsibility for another inappropriately, there's an arrogance to it. We are going to be humbled. Return every ounce of responsibility for your body's health back to your body at the level of its higher self, where it has a capacity to hold that responsibility in an empowered way. You might even say, body, I have been taking responsibility for managing you, and that has been incredibly disempowering to you. Very disrespectful as well. And I return that responsibility back to you. I send information, and I witness you in your capacity, in your wisdom, in your beauty, in your strength, in your courage, in your determination as a nature spirit that I have the honor of riding in. As you return that responsibility back to your body, see if you can feel how your body starts to move into greater degrees of empowerment. Just take a moment to feel that shift of you, soul rider, snuggling up on front of spine, managing the vibration that flows in your divine line, front of spine. Nothing else. Coaching, guiding, encouraging your body to want for itself, to create for itself that which it serves, that which serves. Buddy, you game on, go for that. If there's information that I have for you, I'll send that information, but I will hold vigil and I will witness your wisdom and your mastery. There we go. Breathe, balance, and stabilize. And just take a moment, soul rider, to feel that stance of witnessing your body's wisdom. Being in awe of your body's wisdom, creating space for your body to do what it does best for itself. And breathe, update grids, do a little shakeout reboot. Let that integrate. You have been listening to the Cups of Consciousness show with me, Aleya Dow. Receive a free month of the Cups of Consciousness. Go to 7cupsofconsciousness.com. When you get your free month, you will get 5 cups a week for 4 weeks. You'll also receive access to a live tall cup of consciousness session. Feel free to review the show. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Aho.